If you're looking for 7 passive income ideas for introverts who don't want to show their face or be on camera, this video is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know which income streams are genuinely worth your time, which ones are harder than they look, and the one business model I'd choose if I were starting again today. Here on Farmer to Affiliate, I help everyday people build an online business that creates more freedom, flexibility, and long-term income, even if they're starting from scratch. And if you'd like my step-by-step system, be sure to watch the free on-demand affiliate marketing masterclass. You can access it by clicking the first link in the description below. Now, don't skip ahead, because the number one idea surprises a lot of people. Most assume you have to become an influencer to make it work, but that's simply not true. Plus, stick around because I'll also share the one thing every successful passive income business has in common, and if you miss it, you could spend months building something that never makes a dollar. Let's start with number 7. Number 7, print on demand. If you're creative, this could be a great place to start. With print on demand, you create designs for products like t-shirts, mugs, notebooks, or phone cases. When someone buys one, a print-on-demand company prints it, ships it, and handles the logistics for you. That sounds like the dream, doesn't it? Create a design once and let it sell over and over again. But here's the catch. The hard part isn't creating the products. The hard part is getting people to find them. Without traffic, even the best designs can sit there collecting dust. Keep that thought in mind, because you'll notice this same pattern with every idea on today's list. Now let's move on to number 6. Number 6, sell AI images or stock content. AI has completely changed what's possible for creators. Today you can create illustrations, backgrounds, icons, patterns, mock-ups, and stock-style graphics much faster than ever before. Upload them to stock marketplaces, and every time someone licenses one of your images, you earn money. Sounds easy. But many beginners believe uploading hundreds of images automatically means hundreds of sales. It doesn't. The people who succeed usually focus on solving one type of problem for one type of customer. In other words, niche beats quantity almost every time. And that idea becomes even more valuable with number 5. Number 5, sell templates. People love shortcuts. Business owners need Canva templates. Job seekers need resume templates. Teachers need worksheets. Content creators need planners. Small businesses need spreadsheets. If you can save someone time, they'll often happily pay for it. The beauty of templates is you create them once and can sell them repeatedly. You don't even have to be a professional designer anymore. AI can help you brainstorm ideas, improve layouts, and speed up the whole process. But here's a mistake I see all the time. People spend weeks creating products nobody is actually searching for. There's a much smarter way to approach passive income. Let's keep going. Number 4. Low-ticket digital products. Digital products are one of the simplest ways to start selling online. Think checklists, prompt packs, mini ebooks, workbooks, cheat sheets, or simple guides that solve one specific problem. Unlike physical products, there's nothing to package or ship. Once they're created, they can continue selling again and again. But here's something people often misunderstand. Passive income isn't about doing no work. It's about doing the work once and building systems that keep working for you. Speaking of systems, if you'd like my step-by-step system for building an online business that generates leads and long-term income, be sure to watch my free on-demand affiliate marketing masterclass using the first link in the description below. Now let's look at an option that's perfect for people who hate being on camera. Number 3, create a voice-only course. Here's a myth worth busting. You do not need to appear on camera to teach. Some of the most valuable courses online are simply screen recordings with voiceovers. You can teach software, show tutorials, walk people through presentations, or even create lessons using AI-assisted visuals. People aren't paying because they've seen your face. They're paying because you solved a problem they couldn't solve on their own. But once you've created your course, how do people actually discover it? That brings us to number 2. Number 2, start an AI-powered niche blog, despite what you may have heard. Blogging is definitely not dead. In fact, AI has made researching and creating high-quality content much faster than it used to be. By focusing on one niche and consistently publishing genuinely helpful articles, you can attract visitors from search engines month after month. Those visitors can become email subscribers, customers, or buyers of products you recommend. Now, notice something interesting. Print on demand needed traffic. Stock images needed traffic. Templates needed traffic. Digital products needed traffic. Courses needed traffic. Blogs create traffic. But there's one platform I believe does an even better job, which is why it's my number 1 recommendation. Number 1, affiliate marketing with a faceless YouTube channel. If I had to start all over again today, this is exactly what I'd choose. Not because it's the easiest, because I believe it's the smartest long-term business model. You don't need to manufacture products. You don't need inventory. You don't deal with shipping. You don't have to create customer support departments. Instead, you focus on helping people. Create videos that answer the questions people are already typing into YouTube every single day. Those videos can recommend products and services you genuinely believe in. Some viewers will click your affiliate links, others will join your email list, some will eventually become customers. And because YouTube videos can continue being discovered months or even years after you publish them, they can continue generating leads and affiliate commissions long into the future. The best part? You don't have to show your face. You can create screen recordings, tutorials, presentation-style videos, voiceovers, or use AI to help streamline your workflow. This is why I believe so many introverts have a huge advantage. People aren't looking for influencers, they're looking for answers. If you consistently provide those answers, you can build trust, grow an audience, build an email list, and create recurring affiliate income, all without becoming an internet celebrity. So there you have it. 7 passive income ideas that don't require you to show your face or become an influencer. From print on demand to AI images, templates, digital products, voice-only courses, AI-powered blogging, and finally, the business model I believe offers the greatest long-term opportunity: affiliate marketing with a faceless YouTube channel. The biggest takeaway is this: don't try to build all 7. Choose one, commit to it, stay consistent, and give yourself enough time for your efforts to compound. Now that you've seen 7 passive income ideas for introverts, the next step is learning how to stay consistent long enough to make one of them actually work. So click on I challenge you, commit to YouTube for 90 days. You'll never look back. Showing on your screen now, and I'll show you why committing to just 90 days could completely change the future of your online business.